Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have your head, mesh, and strings. Begin by aligning mesh centered on the scoop. Insert the top row of diamonds into the scoop holes and lace a tight top string through every hole. Pull snug to set the mesh flush with the scoop so it won't twist. This creates a consistent starting point. Make sure the mesh lies flat and centered because once you secure the top, the pocket depth and channel will track off that alignment. Now shape the channel. Lace the sidewall string through the mesh's outer diamonds and the head's sidewall holes, starting at the top and working down. Tighten the center stitches slightly more than the outer ones so the ball will sit in a consistent channel. This controls release and hold. When you reach the lower diamonds, adjust tension for desired depth, looser for deeper pocket, tighter for shallow. If a hole resists, use an awl to guide the lace. Finish by anchoring the bottom row with a reliable knot and trimming excess mesh and strings. Tuck ends so nothing snags. Then throw 10 to 20 passes to bed the pocket. You're listening for consistent release and checking ball retention. If the stick whips too high, tighten lower sidewall stitches. If release is delayed, loosen the channel slightly. If the pocket shifts, recenter the top string and even out sidewall tension. These small tweaks lock in consistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.